Welcome to University of Tsukuba Libraries. This video shows how to find a book. To find library holdings, please use OPAC, Library Catalog. Click on the title of a book you want to see. Details, Local Collection, will open. If the status column is blank, the book is in the stacks. Books are shelved by format, so pay attention to the material format column. The call number is the shelf location of the book. Please write down the call number, then click on the location column to see a map showing the book's location. The book is located in the section marked in red. Go to the shelf to find the book. Books are lined up left to right, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom. The bottom continues at the top of the next section. Books in the library are organized by call numbers that are printed on the spines of the books.